Hello guys, welcome to my third video. Today I am going to show you my Pioneer audio system's different colors. So let's switch on the system.
मोहन कुलकर्णी साहब ने तो बहुत कमाल कर
So here is the color option, dimmer off, and this is for key colors. So there are 30 types of colors in this: turquoise, iceberg, aqua, light blue, sky blue, royal blue, blue, deep blue, ocean blue, indigo, purple, lavender, pink, rose. Scan means it will automatically change the colors: warm, ambient, calm. Custom means our personal settings: white, coral, red, orange, amber, orange, gold, yellow, lemon, pearl, olive, pure green, dark green, green, mint, power blue. So my choice is always power blue. So I have kept it on power blue. You can also change the display color. So same display also has 13 different type of colors. Now it's on aqua. So same, you can change this. Again 30 types of colors. So guys, it's very nice. You can set it according to your mood. Let's set back it to aqua. You can also change both of these colors of key as well as display. And let's give you a glimpse a little bit of my audio. Please use headphone. Very nice output. Let's switch it off, and next video will be purely for my audio system in depth review. Thank you guys for watching.